In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a tool called the Esty Autocomplete Web Scraper tool. What this tool does is, in the background, it goes to Esty, types in your starting keyword phrase, and scrapes the keyword phrases from the autocomplete that drop down. This is good if you're somebody, for example, who sells on Esty and you want to know what people are typing into the Esty search box, or you get a good idea of what to sell on Esty. All you do is you put in a starting keyword phrase here. If you have any questions about how to use this, there's step-by-step instructions below the tool itself. You enter in a starting keyword phrase. Then what you want to do is where it says one wildcard word, enter the word that you want to be replaced with different letters of the alphabet. For example, we'll enter the word clock. What the software program would do, replace the word clock with the letters of the alphabet. And that's how it auto-scrapes related suggestion for keyword phrases. If you were to change this wildcard word to wood, then the software program would do this. And scrape keyword phrases that one. Then at that point you simply press the Scrape Esty button. The software program is going to go to work. There's a feedback window here that shows you what the software program is doing. The keywords that are scraped, non-duplicate keywords, are put in this text box here. There's two ways you can view the keyword phrases, either alphabetically sorted like you see here, or by the tail length, meaning the number of words in the keyword phrase. The longer tail keyword phrases that are scraped appear at the top, and the shorter ones at the bottom. So the software program has finished. Again, this is sorted by keyword phrases, scraped with the longest tail keywords at the top, the shorter tail keywords at the bottom, or alphabetically sorted gives you the keyword phrases scraped alphabetically sorted.